So let me tell you something really crazy. A project that used to take me weeks, like 5 6 weeks, is now taking me a week, 1 week, or either 1.5 week. A year ago, if you told me that I'm gonna work on the project and it's gonna take me a week, I would have maybe laughed on you. But now it's the reality. People are shifting product front end and back end within a week, 1 and 2 week. I'm really not here to scare you, but this is how things are going. Today, I want to talk how AI is literally changing everything, not in a futuristic way, but right now in my life, the way I work, and probably in year two. Let me take you a little bit back. Like when I start coding, everything was like manual. You want to build something and you want to create a project, then you have to read the documentation, and definitely you need to understand now still, but before you need to do everything manually, like back-end architecture, front-end design, and every stuff. But now designer is building mockups with AI, and they are kind of brainstorming on it and making much more easy to see how things will look like, and then they can make it much more enhanced. And honestly, I'm not saying those days were bad. I learned a lot by struggling, debugging for an hour to, like, I was struggling a lot. For a small thing, I used to struggle and then find a solution for it, and then go to the Google Stack Overflow, find a solution, and then deploy it. If it didn't work, then loop again. But here's the thing: that's the difference between learning and just suffering. Now, fast forward to today, I open my editor. What I'm going to do is I describe what I want, and AI help me build it. Not perfectly every time, let me be real about it, but enough that I'm moving 10 times faster than I used to before. Like before, I had to kind of design everything, but now I don't need to design everything. I can design with AI, which is really fast as compared to before. Before, I used to spend a lot of time like how to develop this and this and this. But now most of the time I'm spending what to develop, and now ideas are more important than before. It was the same, but now competition is so much high. Like you gotta have a really great idea, and you really need to know how to validate your idea. Now here is the real concern that most of the people, me, I used to have it, maybe you will have as well, that should I stop learning coding? Like, do we need to stop learning it completely, or what we need to do with that? Because when with the starting of AI, I was thinking that okay, whether I'm a developer or just a prompt engineer, because most of the time I'm just prompting and then doing stuff. So when I came to know that, and I realized that yeah, it is a tool. It is really great thing to have in life because it's gonna make you 10 times faster, and it's gonna help you a lot to build stuff faster. You just need to understand how to use it. But it's really cool thing. It's like when calculator came out, people said kids won't learn math anymore, but we still teach them. The calculator didn't replace understanding, it replaced the ridiculous part of it. AI is the same thing, but on the much bigger scale. And yeah, some job will be changed, and some job will look completely different 5 years from now. That's real, and I'm not going to pretend it's not. But new role are being created too. This is the reality. When I used to learn machine learning years for 4 years ago, when I used to learn it, so Andrew Ng was telling in his course that around, I forgot the number, but it was around 70 billion jobs will be replaced, and 130 billion jobs will come more. So yeah, new job will be created. It's just a matter of time. So what's my personal experience? It's really simple. That I used to think like a simple impostor using AI. I thought even I'm a real developer or not. But now I think, okay, those tools are for me. Those tools for me to go much more faster. The moment I stop thinking like feeling guilty about it, now I am like scaling more in that AI, like how to use it in much more better way. I'm now connecting MCPs with that. I'm connecting plugins with Claude Code. I'm connecting MCP with Codex. So I'm trying to find more different ways to make myself more scalable and get a lot of output out of it. So yeah, that's my honest take. AI is not the future, it is the present. It's already here. It's already changing how we are working, how we create, how we solve problem, and we are still in the early days. What we are seeing right now is just the beginning. I'm genuinely excited about where things is going and a little nervous too. Not gonna lie, but mostly excited. If you made it this far, let me know in the comments. How has AI changed your workflow? Are you using it? Are you are you really excited about it, or you are just scared about it?